Hi, I'm Olivia Loftin, an associate attorney at Romano Law, and I'm discussing UCC Remedies for breach of contract. Article 2 of the Uniform Commercial Code applies to contracts for the sale of movable goods. The Uniform Commercial Code can also be referred to as the UCC. Contracts subject to the UCC must meet a certain set of standards in order to be enforceable, and there's specific remedies for breach of contract that may occur. These remedies can vary depending on if the seller breaches the contract or if the buyer breaches the contract. If the seller breaches the contract, there's damages for non-delivery. There can also be damages for cover, which means that the buyer can seek to substitute the goods that were not delivered by purchasing similar goods from another seller. And you can also seek specific performance, but only in certain scenarios. You can seek specific performance, which means that the sellers must send the buyer the goods if the goods are unique and they cannot be replaced. If the buyer breaches the contract, then you can pursue damages for non-acceptance. You can also pursue damages for resale and any damages connected to that resale. And you can also sue damages for the price. If the goods cannot reasonably be resold, then you can pursue damages for the price of the goods that are identified in the contract that was breached. Ultimately, what should you do if your contract has been breached? It is important to document your communications and the circumstances surrounding the breach, whether or not you are the buyer or the seller in an agreement. You have to provide the party with written notice and an opportunity to cure if that is in your contract as well. Make sure you detail any steps you take to mitigate your damages and contact an attorney as soon as you can.